For more information, visit our website from the description.
If you're ready to beat the heat, you aren't alone. More than 8 million room air conditioners were shipped for sale in 2019. The typical household spends 13% of its annual utility bill on cooling, according to Energy Star. So it's important to choose the right unit. An air conditioner that's too small will struggle to cool a room. One that's too big cools so quickly that it doesn't have time to remove enough moisture, leaving you with a cold, clammy space. New Energy Star room air conditioners come with better insulating materials and clearer instructions that help ensure you get a good seal around the unit, minimizing leaks. Window air conditioners generally do a better job blowing air in one direction. That can be a problem if your window isn't centered on the wall. To uniformly cool a room, you'll need to direct air to its center, so check to see whether your AC needs to blow air to the right or to the left. Some have fan arms that swivel. Install it correctly. To get the most from your window air conditioner, it must be properly installed. Most units are intended for double-hung windows. If you have casement windows, you may want to consider buying a through-the-wall air conditioner. Make sure your window unit is level so that it drains correctly. And move any heat-generating devices such as a TV or lamp away from the unit. Check filter location. Make sure you can easily access the filter for cleaning, something you'll be doing frequently to keep the unit in tip-top condition.